In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Hotmail account by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is an important step towards safeguarding your personal information and ensuring that your online presence remains secure. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is 2FA? Well, it's essentially an additional layer of security for your account. Not only will you need your password, but you will also need to verify your identity through a second method, such as a text message, an email code, or an authenticator app. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Microsoft security settings. You can easily find these settings by logging into your Hotmail account and navigating through your account options to the security section. Once you're there, look for the option that says Two-Step Verification. Clicking on this will guide you towards turning on this crucial security feature. Turning on two-step verification might prompt you to choose a method of verification. You've got a few different options here. You can opt for SMS, which will send a code to your phone number each time you log in. Choose to receive your codes via email, or use an authenticator app, such as the Microsoft Authenticator. If you're not familiar with authenticator apps, they are applications that continually generate time-sensitive codes which you will use alongside your password to access your account. Choosing an authenticator app is often considered one of the most secure methods because it doesn't rely on any email or SMS service, which could potentially be intercepted. Once you've decided on your preferred method, just follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. If you choose SMS or email, make sure your contact details are up to date to prevent any login issues. If you're opting for an authenticator app, you should download that app on your smartphone and link it to your Hotmail account as per the instructions provided. This process might include scanning a QR code or typing a setup key. It's fairly straightforward, and once done, your account will be equipped with an extra protective shield. By enabling two-factor authentication, you add a significant barrier that makes unauthorized access to your account vastly more difficult. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to log into your account without access to your second verification method. This added security measure is crucial. It embraces the principle of something you know, your password, and something you have waswasim, the verification code, providing a robust defense for your digital footprint. I hope this guide helps you set up 2FA successfully and gives you peace of mind knowing that your Hotmail account is well protected. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments. Stay secure and see you next time.